Hi my AFOLs, it's Mipi here, and today I show you my latest MOC. It is just one part out of 7, and I created different houses by using for each house only one color or one color scheme. Or at least I tried to, as you can see here. Well guys, I asked you some weeks ago in a survey if I shall continue doing my voiceover. And the most of you said, no, please stop with it. And I wanted to ask if you still want voiceovers when I do MOCs or no voiceovers at all. I'd like to know. So I keep this very short here. This is the last house I created. It is the violet one. And the idea was from the game LEGO Tower. There's an apartment that is only in blue colors, and I loved the idea, and this limited the possibilities of building, but you can still create pretty good stuff. And the violet one was the hardest. It is also the smallest house of all. And that's just because I don't have enough parts and tiles and pieces in violet tones. And this house is in a street where all houses are part of a rainbow. And the rainbow is also a symbol for the gay, transgender, intersexual community, and to show their pride. And I want to be a part of it, and to say it doesn't matter who you love, the important thing is the love. And yeah, that's basically what I want to show here. In this case, in this house, is a mixed couple, and I don't know if they are heterosexual or if they are intersexual or transgender. I can tell, but well guys, it just doesn't matter. And the most important thing for me here is that they love their little house. So that's all from me today. Please watch the video till the end, and I'll see you next time with another beautiful colored house. And don't forget that love has many colors. And I'll see you next time, guys. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Thank you. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.